they was doing not so good. Sweet potatoes, having a hard time with them, y'all. I don't know why. They didn't take. So I'm gonna get some more, cut some more slips, and make some stuff happen. Yeah, these are regular white potatoes. What we call iced potatoes back home. Call them joint iced potatoes. You know, what you make your fries with, whatever, just regular standard potato. Our little bucket grow, they doing pretty good. This, we got some more tomatoes. We wanna move them. This is like marage, you can call it, not marage, kind of like mchiche over here. You can call it like a leaf, a spinach type joint. This right here, believe it or not, this y'all is, no, not that one, that's a little garlic. Which one is this? This is the, damn, what's, not patachichi in Swahili, baby. What's the other one? We don't like too much papaya. Papaya. Yeah, that's right. In Swahili, that's papaya. So we got some papaya growing. It's probably gonna end up being the last thing in this bucket. Just gonna let it take over. We're gonna move this tomato plant. These some beef steak. Right here I planted, and they growing. They're growing on. This is just random stuff. I had a whole bunch, my lettuce was in here. So we moved the lettuce, and y'all see little bugs been eating at the leaves and doing all of that. I actually had my sweet potatoes back here, and they just didn't take. So in fact, we had to check it. Yeah, this is where we had them. This is, they just never took. All my slips started rotting out, so we tried burying some. They had eyed a little bit, and they just didn't take. So we're gonna keep working at it, keep after it. We ain't gonna give up. Get some more and start again. Trial and error, baby, trial and error.